here today to learn how to do a standard ankle strapping, and we're going to use the D3 rigid tape to be able to do this. So George is a keen netball player, so we want to make sure that her ankle is protected during training and competition. First of all, what we're going to need to do is spray George's ankle using this D3 adhesive spray. So usually I'd spray it on over the area, but for this purpose we won't be using it today. We start with an anchor. So what I'm doing now is just measuring out how long the piece of tape I want to use. Why I'm doing this as opposed to doing it off the roll is it's much more effective in getting the right tension that you want for each piece of strapping tape. After we've got our anchor down, we want to do some stirrups. So again, measuring off the roll, getting the patient, Georgia, to flex her ankle, and going from the inside, laying the tape down over the medial malleolus, or the inside of your ankle joint, which is just on, and coming back round underneath to go up the outside of the ankle joint here. So what we need to do now is what we call sixes. And basically what the sixes do is help protect the inside and outside ligaments of the ankle. Why they're called sixes is basically because of the shape. So we go down the inside of the ankle and come back round over to loop onto the stirrup. So again, we measure out the amount of tape that we want to use. And it's better to be a little bit more generous than come up short. So again, just making sure the patient's foot is flexed. We come on the inside, laying the tape over, and as we come round the bottom of the foot and come back up over the ligament, we just want to place a little bit of extra tension to help make that ligament as strong as possible using the tape as protection. So we repeat this on the outside, starting on the outside, we can lay the tape over in approximately the same direction as the stirrup, coming round, and again as we come up and over, we just want to place a bit of extra tension going in the same direction as the ligament. So we join that back onto the stirrup, and that's the first two ones of our sixes. So what you want to do now is just lay on more sixes. So again, just repeating the step that we've just done to help create more stability for those medial and lateral ligaments. So again, making sure every time that the patient has their foot flexed and coming back around and providing a little bit of tension as you come over. Now what you want to do is come half over the tape where you start, so that you're laying down tape in a different direction along the same path of the ligament. And again, just repeating on the inside, foot flexed, come back round and come over. So I would do 3 sections, 3 layers of sixes, and then we'll go from there.